your boy Crypto Million back with another one. Quick update on some altcoins. We'll be talking about Pepe, Jasm, and just an outlook on the Bitcoin dominance, guys. So it's very important that we get 200 likes on these videos. If you like this type of video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. All right, so we've been sitting here, me, not we. I've been sitting here trying to crack the code here with this Bitcoin dominance. You can see here. Nice little pattern here. Looks kind of like a double bottom pattern here, right? And this is the monthly chart. So the Bitcoin dominance is telling me that it's coming to a point of decision, right? A point of decision. We need to figure out here if BTC will get rejected in this structure right around 57%. We're up here again. Many people believe that we will get rejected here and continue to go down. Now, this is not bad because this is the Bitcoin dominance on the monthly. And again, this is foreshadowing altcoin season. So I guess this video is when is altcoin season most likely, because we get spoiled a little bit. We get these green days, maybe 2 or 3 green days, and then it's back to like choppiness, sideways, frothy. So at the end of the day, the Bitcoin dominance tells a story here, right? What we want to see is this Bitcoin dominance get rejected here at this trend line because it's submitting a downtrend and fall somewhere between the structure of around 46. So I would say around 46 and 41 cent. I think if we can get the Bitcoin dominance down to 46, 41 cent, 41%, should I say, this altcoin season meter, I'll probably end up being here. But the key is to buy the altcoins right now, right? Before we actually get in altcoin season, because this is where you take your profits. This is where you make your money. You start, you start your strategy here, your entry points, but you make your money up here and your extra strategies here. So again, taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance on the monthly chart, I just don't see it. I don't see it slowing down unless we get like a federal rate hike, right? A federal rate hike, but that would be that would cripple the entire market, right? In altcoins, Bitcoin, it's not going to matter if they rate the, if they, raise the rate. So at the end of the day, this Bitcoin dominance, if it continues to go up, it's not necessarily bearish for altcoins, but it's still bullish for Bitcoin and is bullish for the crypto market, which means at some point the Bitcoin dominance will have to correct here, right? So you can see we've been in an uptrend since about September 2022, and the Bitcoin dominance just been going up. So is this the key point of structure here, which is around 57%, where we finally start to take another leg down? I'm not sure. The stock RSI is still hanging out here. We did get a little bit of a cross here on the monthly, blue over orange, but the RSI is still trending to the upside, which tells me this thing can easily head up to about 60%, 70%, which would be a great buying opportunity for altcoins, right? Because if the Bitcoin dominance heads up to 60, 70%, now we're talking at Bitcoin possibly being somewhere between 80K, of 75K and 80K, maybe 90K, depending on the entire market when you take it into the macro environment. So we'll keep an eye here on this Bitcoin dominance, as again, the market has been a little bit choppy here, and we'll keep an eye if we get this rejection here, because if we do get this rejection, we'll start to see our favorite altcoins in the hottest narratives start to head up to the upside. I'm laughing at this comment. He says, bro, you understand nothing in crypto, moon boy. Right? And I agree. I just don't see, even if I go down to the lower time frame, which is the weekly here, kind of like spread things out. Just bullish, right? We got the rejection here off the support of the RSI smooth line here to the upside, and the stock RSI blue over orange is curling to the upside. So I mean, the trend line is right here at about what, 57%. So if this thing breaks 57%, Bitcoin of course will go higher, but you'll start to see Bitcoin take away liquidity from the altcoins as people look to load up on Bitcoin. But eventually there'll be a liquidity rotation back into altcoins. So again, if the Bitcoin dominance does get back up here, which we've circled, right, anywhere between 57% and 60% has been a good good DCA opportunity for altcoins. But if we reach this structure, 60, 70%, all certain, I would say this, right? So I want to be clear on what my point that I'm trying to get across. Blue chip projects could possibly still go up, but micro caps could slowly drain as that liquidity goes into blue chips and Bitcoin, right? But there will be opportunity for altcoins if you buy them while the Bitcoin dominance is up, anticipating the Bitcoin dominance to go back down and send us into altcoin season. Taking a look at Pepe here. Pepe looks like it wants to actually correct. So Pepe has been on a tear, right? It's at all-time highs. It's finally looking like it's going to correct here on the 3-day as both indicators are showing bearish momentum. And you can see here selling pressure is also coming in. So not necessarily bad if we can retest this trend line, this moving average here and bounce to the upside as it's done a few times, maybe wicked under and bounce to the upside. But this is crazy because, Pepe was at $1.4 billion market cap, 41 million in liquidity. Absolutely insane here with what you're seeing with Pepe with over 219,000 holders. That is crazy for a project to have almost 300,000 holders, man. Crazy. So I would say that Pepe looks like it's about to come down a little bit and retest some of the moving averages. And if you're bullish on Pepe, could be an opportunity to buy some more Pepe, right? Could be an opportunity to buy some more Pepe. Look at when the BB's tightening up, the explosive move we've seen in Pepe. And this tells you there's a lot of money in crypto, because with a liquidity pool sitting at around 41 million, it's not easy to move a crypto with that type of liquidity pool. And this is a meme coin, and this thing absolutely sent, right? And there's a lot of Pepe tokens in the Pepe verse, the Matt Furry, a collection that also could run here with Pepe. And last but not least, taking a look at Jasm. We talked about this. Jasm now sitting above our flag here. So this is actually positive. We want the retest and then the explosion to the upside. We got a inverted head and shoulders on the stock RSI and a little bit of a bearish divergence here on the RSI. So price is going up depending on how this green candle closes on the 3-day, but the RSI is looking like it wants to trend back down. You want to see the RSI here hold this trend line and continue to go up. And we talked about how if Jasm cross 3.5 pennies, there's literally no structure, not much resistance there, and it'll become very, very explosive. Could see an explosive move. So Jasm on the 3-day here, it has a little bit of a bearish divergence, but we'll just have to see how this green candle here closes on the 3-day and if it can stay above this triangle and confirm the start of a breakout. Guys, let me know what you think about the current market. There's a 91% chance that we get another pause, and a lot of people are gearing up for Q4. There's a 49% chance that we get a cut, right? So now it's 49%. So 50% chance we get a cut in September. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is a Pepe and Jasm TNA and a little bit about Bitcoin dominance, guys. I say Q4 should be explosive around election time if we continue to move at this rate with all of the bullish things that we're seeing across the space as far as institutions, right? Chainlink completes tests with the JP Morgan, Templeton, BNY Mellon, and other major U.S. banks to accelerate tokenization of funds. Let's get it. Institutions are here, man. It's your way, Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.